So welcome back to the channel. Now that the Mini's running damn tight better than what it did when I got it, we're down to just doing sort of a few sort of cosmetic jobs really. So I bought a Turtle Wax Speed Headlight Lens Restorer. As you can see in this little clip here, the headlights aren't horrendous, but could do with a little spruce up, I think, just to make sure that they're a bit clearer. So I'm kind of suffering with man flu at the moment, but I thought at least this will get me outside. It's a nice sunny day, and we'll attempt at giving these headlights a clean. The reason why I bought this Turtle Wax one is I saw a post on a forum on Facebook of a before and a half picture, and they'd used this Turtle Wax lens restorer, and it got some quite good results. So let's have a look in the box. So in the box there is a little buffing pad, some ceramic acrylic wipe, and your lens restorer paste stuff. So according to the instructions, you need to mask off the area and apply the compound to a small cotton cloth and spread product evenly over dead headlight surfaces and rod up pressure, slowly back and forth motion for 30 seconds. Buff area with a dry cloth, repeat if necessary to remove maximum clarity. If headlight is not evenly restored, process to sanding step 2. So that's when you use the buffing pad to restore it a bit better. So I might just go straight up and use that buffing pad, but yeah, we'll mask it up and we'll have a look. So using little sections of masking tape, I'm just slowly going around the headlight, applying little sections to protect the chrome bezel from any scratches when using the sanding pad. Keeping the headlight damp, I then use the sanding pad and backwards forwards motion all over the headlight, giving it a good old sand. I then turn the pad over to the finer side and once again go all over the headlight. I then dry it off and then using the restorer compound, give that a good old rub all over the headlight, making sure I get all the areas before then giving it a final buff. So there, a quick go. It's already looking loads better than what it was, so I might just give it another sand because there is still some marks and things in it that I can see. So I'll give it another sand and then a wipe over with that rubbing compound, what do they call it, the lens repair stuff. So if you look at that one compared to that one, this one is noticeably worse than that one now, and this one was the worst headlight. So we'll give it another attack and see how it comes out. So same procedure as previously, keeping the headlight wet. I'm just using the coarser side of the rubbing pad and then changing over to the finer side, giving it a good old sand again before using the restorer compound and giving it a buff. So that's now looking much better after having gone over it a second time. You can see there how clear it's looking, and it hasn't had the final ceramic coat fit into it yet. So we'll do this headlight and then we'll look at doing the ceramic coat. So using the protective gloves and then apply the ceramic coat wipe all over the headlight to make sure it's evenly covered. So looking at this, you can see it's definitely an improvement. Looking at both of these, I'm quite pleased with that. So it says to leave it for 24 hours for the ceramic sort of coating to fully cure, and then you can give it a polish to then clean it right up. So we'll leave that now, and we'll come back tomorrow once it's cured. So after applying the ceramic acrylic wipe, I then left it for 24 hours as per the instructions, and then gave it another quick polish with their restorer compound, and look at the results. So yeah, I think that's way better than what it was beforehand. I think it could do with a little bit more of a rub down really with those blocks to sand it down, but for the sake of about 15 minutes, I think that's a pretty good result. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come shortly.